W-O-O-D, far wood. You know, like wood that's far away. Whew. Hey guys, 17 minutes, and we're gonna do a little rest stop. Maybe a bite of sausage, and a swig of the old body armor. Oh, beautiful willow tree right there. A little baby one too. For sale. Alright guys, so we're gonna have to make a left here into South Union Street, into a little bit of the wind, but then we're gonna go right over back. Oh, they got lovely chickens in there. Huh. Dog's happy as can be barking at the chicken. Well, I think, guys, I remember passing this town on the way. I remember looking into that yard with the pool, and it had snow on. It still had snow. Nice pontoon boat there. There. It. I certainly am feeling it, and there's some afternoon after work traffic here. Ooh. Pebbles again. Hopefully Concordia Hall Bar, Bowling and Alley. bar and bowling alley. For sale sign there on that little home. Well, they got a beautiful church there, steeple, coming up. Yeah, we're gonna make a right on Henry Street at 450 yards or feet. Cause yeah, this here gravel, guys, this is not good for the old vibration here. There we go. Yeah. 13 minutes till next stop, guys. Hopefully we just come up this road all the way with that beautiful wind behind us. Alright. Oh, see, that little guy loves me. Saying hello. Right. Alright, so guys, stop sign. We continue on to Route 66, historic old Route 66 / Route 16. Between 1930 and 1940, yeah, that was the historic route